Open Microsoft PowerPoint application, double click in it. Now you can see like this interface. Go to new slide and select blank. Then right click of your mouse and go to format background. Now select gradient fill and select this one. Then select path. Now give the color in gradient stop option. There is 3 stop option. If you want to add any stop option, then click the plus icon and add any stop option. Okay, like this. After selecting any of them, then go to color option and select the color. Okay, I select this and I give color as I want. Then I select this and I give a color. Okay. Now go to insert option and select the textbook and drag it in here and write your text in here. Okay, select this, then bold it and big it. Then go to insert option and select any of shape. I select this, then drag it in here. Now go to shape fill and color this. I select this, then go to shape outline. There is no outline. Then go to shape effect. Okay, now go to send background and send to back. One is text and another is shape. Okay, so now text, I give the text color. After selecting this, go to format option and word art. Then I select this and drag it in here. Okay, then go to insert option and select textbook and drag it in here. Or then big it. Okay, now select image of YouTube. Go to the Google and collect any image or logo of YouTube. Search YouTube logo. Then go to tools option and uses right. Select this and select the Creative Commons license. Copy this image and go to Microsoft PowerPoint and paste it in here. This image is transparent background. Then go to insert option and click textbook and drag it in here. Okay. Now go to format option and a text field. Okay, select black and a text outline red and a text effect. Select shadow any of them. Okay, now my design is complete. Now I want to save my thumbnail. Then go to file option and export. Then go to change file. And here is two option of saving your thumbnail. One is PNG, another is JPG. I select PNG, then save as. Now select the folder where you want to save your document. I select 3, then save. Just this one. Okay, I want to see my document or thumbnail. Here is see my thumbnail is here. Like this, you also make the YouTube thumbnail by PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you think my video is informative and helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.